Hello members, today we'd like to show you how to navigate the new MTI website. We've got everything broken down into quadrants where you can get to most anything you want within 1 or 2 clicks, and easy to get into the members only area to access documents and to converse and post in the group forums to get input from other members. So here we go. So the top menu here is you can, for those of, if you know anybody that is not a member of MTI, you can send them here and they can join MTI right here at the top. You can locate a heat treater in here right at this link with our lookup search engine with the Industrial Heating Magazine. You can click on our industry support team, and this gives you the total listing of all of our consultants that work with MTI members in every single area of quality, maintenance, employee screening, energy, you name it, we have it. The next one is the Contact Us. That's if you need to get a hold of anybody at the MTI offices. You can click on here. Here's our corporate office and mailing address and phone numbers, and here is each of our staff members for your servicing needs. Over here to the top menu, anytime you get lost or don't know where you're at on the home page, you can click Home in the top left here. Takes you right back to the start. But these menu items up here kind of encompass everything. You can click About MTI. These are all of our governing documents and our leadership. We have the long-term strategic plan, the bylaws, the antitrust statement, our past presidents, the history, Code of Business Ethics, everything here, the Board of Trustees you can get to. Our training, this tab outlines all of our training programs you have with our 4 certificate programs, as well as the YES program, the YES Management Training Program. Our industry links covers Industrial Heating Magazine, our industry media partner, as well as our third-party websites for the wage and benefit study, monthly sales stats, third-party audit database, as well as industry government links, our diamond sponsors, our educational foundation, and any metalworking associations that you want to kind of connect with, like Non-Ferrous, the Steel Society, Precision Metal Forming. There's 44 associations out there you can go look through and go to their websites. Industry advocacy just shares with you about the things that we do for you as a voice. We have members that serve on all these organizations with the National Association of Manufacturers, the Canadian Manufacturers Exporters, NADCAP in the aerospace, Automotive Industry Action Group with the CQI-9 specs, and the AMEC committee who writes the specs that NADCAP audits to in the aerospace industry. The last thing on this menu is our online store. You can click here and be able to access all of our resources and purchase anything you would like within the MTI online store. So once you come up here to, you can go back to home and we'll look at further into the website here. On the front page, you've got our industry video here. If you know people that would like to join, you can send them here as well, and they can click here and see the member benefits, and they can join here. The top layer of stuff here is you can see our weekly MTI breaking news that are released every Tuesday or Wednesday. Here you can click any one of these items and see the detailed of each of the articles. We have members who are going to blog for us, so you can see recent blogs on technical, managerial, and safety issues here, even energy in the recently posted blogs. Under affiliated websites are all of our websites you can connect with. If you want to locate a heat treater, you can look at our Why Outsource Heat Treating. This is more for captive manufacturers who come to our site and want to know why they should outsource, and that also links into the Locate a Heat Treater. Online training, this goes to our online academy, and our audit system goes to the database that allows you to look at and put in NADCAP and ISO audits into the system for reviewing. The other 3 sites are Therm Process. This is a group that does a big Furnaces North America style show. It's the largest in the world in Germany every 2 years. That'll be happening in June 15. And then we have F&A 2016 and Industrial Heating Magazine. For our resource library, this tells you what's recently been uploaded into the resource library, and you can click here. You must have a member login in order to do this, and we'll click the members only area here in a second. So when you click any one of these, you're going to be asked to log in, and it'll take you right to this document once you get in. To the left here, you can see our upcoming events. We've got 3 already on board, and you can hit more to see all the listing of our events for the year. As you can see, you pound down, you click in any one of them, you can see the details. I'll click into the spring meeting because we currently have that one open for registration, but anytime you click into any one of the meetings, you'll see there's everything you need to know about that meeting, including the hotel reservations if they're there, meeting registration, and the meeting schedule. And to register for the event, you just click the Register Now button, and it will take you right to the registration area. Now, you must log in to the members only area to register, so remember to have your password, username and password. So back to the home, that covers everything on the front page. Now we're going to log into the members only area, and you click Sign In, and you will type in your email in the system and your password. And if you do not know your password, you click Forgot, very easy, click Forgot Password, enter your email address and hit Submit, and it'll immediately send you an email with a link to reset your password to something customized. So it's very easy to get to if you forget your password. Then once you got that, you log in, and now you come to the members only area, and it looks a little bit like the public area, except that you've got this Get Connected box. This is where it takes you. These are the key links that take you everywhere for members only. You can see up here the members only link has popped up, and that gives you everything to participate, to browse, and to look at your profile. You can participate. You can post a message to the members out there. It'll go to over 1,000 people in our open forum to get feedback on heat treating at every level. If you're one of our voting reps, you have access to a business owners and general managers open forum as well that's only for the business owners. But you can post a blog, you can share a file, you can update your profile or register for an event. That's the ways you can participate, or you can browse those items as well. And we'll go over the member directory here in a second. But the key items for you on a daily basis to get connected with MTI is the resource library. You can click into here, and that'll take you to our folder of listings. You can get monthly sales stats reports all the way back to 1984. You got quarterly heat treat forecasts, our industry forecast, sector forecast by MEETIN. Business owners, this is an incredible document that we have, about 8 years worth of documents out there. It's about a 12 to 16 page document that covers everything in business you can imagine, from cash flow, accounts payable, accounts receivable. So I'd recommend you start basically in 2004. You could start printing these off once a week or so and providing them to the people that handle your finances and stuff in your organization. Our newsletters all the way back, they go back for the last 2 years. And then we have general market industry reports, other documents, which includes our statement of limited liability. If you can't find the most recent version, you can always come here and it will be posted. And then our monthly economic reports from DeWolf. So this is our full, easy to grab documents area for members. So anytime, again, like I said before, you click home, it takes you right back here and you're right back where you need to be. Searching for members are easy. You click here, click the search, and you can look people up by first, last name, company name, email address, city, state, zip, and even chapter. So let's just take and go look at the Great Lakes chapter. If you want to see, you're looking for somebody in the Great Lakes chapter, you can pin down and you can see they're all listed here. And you can click on one, click on Aaron Ackerman here, and you can see their chapter in, the organization type they are, and you can go check out the different things that they have going on with their profile. So then we hit home again. Now you can post a discussion. Now let's say you've got a question on a spec or a question on how to serve a customer or a technical question. You can click out here, and here's our list of discussion forums, and you can click the open forum, and you can see we also have a NADCAP forum in here, and you will see a listing of forums that you're a member of. And then you simply just type in the subject and the question, comment, or discussion post, and click send, and that immediately is going to go to everyone the following morning in a daily digest. Now here's the key behind group postings when they go out there. Every morning, every member in the forum gets if there is a post in a group forum that you're a member of, you will get an email just like this that will come to you. It will tell you who sent it. You'll see the title, and you'll also see the description here in the question. And we made it so easy for you, and their contact information. We have made it so easy for you to respond to these. Instead of having to log back into the system, right from the email, you say reply to group, and you reply right to your email. It already has the title here, and you just simply click down and click your email and type away and hit send, and you will respond, and that email will track back through into the group and go into the group discussion under this reply. So it tracks all the discussion going on. So we've made it very easy for members to reply right from their email. Very user-friendly system. So remember, this is the most powerful tool you have in the MTI, because instead of waiting for some big meeting to try and find out and network with members and find out answers to issues, you have at your fingertips over 1,000 heat treating professionals in the open forum. And if you're a business owner or a general manager in your plant, you have access to executive level people right at your fingertips to get feedback on daily functions like HR, quality, safety, production, operations. You name it, you can post it. Our meeting calendar, again, this is the other area that you can go to. We've already covered that. You click here, you see our list of meetings. You can go back to home, and then you see our spring meeting. Our most recent national meeting that we got coming up will always be here, so you can easily get to that. To see your member profile, you'll click up here in your picture area. It's nice when people go to look at your members only area that they see who you are and see a profile. It's always good to put a picture with a name. So we'll show you how to do that in a second. But you click profile and you'll see this is my full profile here. You've got my name and my title, and I'd encourage everyone click in the bio and put your bio, put your professional associations that you are affiliated with, your job history, honors and awards, and education. It's just nice to get to know people on a personal basis, so we've created a way for everybody to enter certain things in to be able to do that. If you have anything like Yes Alumni, or you're a silver member or a diamond member, you've got little tags here that show that. Here's all your contact information. A couple of key features I want to show you about your profile. One, here's where you put your picture in. You hit Actions and hit Change Picture or Add Picture, and then upload a picture of you here in the picture area. You've got 4 tabs up here. One is your profile, the other is your connections. You've got connections and contacts. These are people, as you look them up, that you can ask them to be a contact or yours a private contact. Here's a powerful tool though. It's called Networks. Networks is the people that you have commonality with, and we've separated them into certain things. You can see everybody in your chapter, everybody in your city, everybody in your company, everybody in your state, and everybody, if you're a Yes alumni, everybody there. So if I want to see in my city, I would click on the members, and I immediately see everybody that is located in the city of Jacksonville that is part of my network. You can go back to connections and hit networks again, and maybe you want to look up somebody in the chapter. So I can look up the chapter, and I can funnel down and look up anybody. And here's where you add them as a contact. As you look down the search menu, you can click Add as a Contact, and it'll send them a note to let them approve, and y'all will then be a contact with one another. Or you can send them a message. You click here and type in the subject of the message, and it will go directly to them, and they can have a chance to respond to you. Your contributions, if you want to write a blog or you've put in anything, this allows you to see if you've put any discussion posts in. This is where you're going to see all your individual discussion posts. So this tells you where how you've contributed to the online place. And then you've got My Account, which allows you to adjust all your settings in here. So that pretty much covers all of the MTI new website, and we encourage you to use it. It is a valuable tool. Like I said, we've been on here for just a few minutes, and you've been able to see how to navigate and connect to everything. So I encourage you to do that, and if you have any questions whatsoever, the MTI staff of Tom Morrison, Nikki Mann, Kristen Spears, and Carla Quimby are here to help you and service you and make this a very user-friendly experience for you. So we appreciate your membership and your connection to us and what we're doing for the industry through you. Thank you very much.